Nature hides secrets so rare that only the lucky few ever witness them. In the farthest forests, deepest wetlands, and most remote islands, extraordinary creatures live their lives unseen by most of humankind. Today, we journey to meet 15 of the rarest wild animals on Earth, each one a living treasure, clinging to survival against all odds. Clinging to the mangroves of Panama's remote coastline lies the three-toed pygmy sloth, a smaller cousin of the common sloth, measuring just half a meter in length. Critically endangered and found nowhere else on Earth, it spends nearly its entire life in the treetops, moving slowly from branch to branch in search of tender leaves. Gliding through the waters of Asia's rivers and coastal zones, the Indo-Pacific finless porpoise is unlike any other dolphin or whale. Instead of a dorsal fin, it has a smooth ridge covered in thick skin. Intelligent and elusive, it is rarely seen and faces severe threats from pollution and habitat loss. Discovered by Charles Darwin himself, Darwin's frog is a master of disguise. Its body mimics a fallen leaf, allowing it to vanish among the forest floor. Living near streams and swamps, this remarkable amphibian even has a unique parenting strategy. Males carry developing young inside their vocal sacs until they are ready to emerge. Towering over the wetlands of Africa is the shoebill stork, a massive bird with a thick, shoe-shaped beak. Part stork, part pelican in appearance, yet unrelated to either, it is both formidable and mysterious, rarely seen by human eyes. In the arid grasslands of Australia, one of the rarest mammals on the planet burrows beneath the soil, the northern hairy-nosed wombat. Weighing around 40 kilograms with a large head, powerful legs, and a body built for digging, this nocturnal survivor is a master of underground life. In 2015, only about 230 individuals remained a fragile population fighting extinction. Despite its name, the elephant shrew is no shrew at all and far from elephant-sized. This tiny insect eater, small enough to fit in your hand, roams the undergrowth of Africa. Its elongated snout earned it its name, but genetic studies revealed a surprising truth. It's more closely related to elephants than to shrews. High in the rainforests of the Philippines, a giant bird of prey silently watches from the canopy. The Philippine eagle, with fewer than 500 individuals left, is one of the rarest and most powerful eagles in the world. Unlike most raptors, it rarely soars above the treetops, preferring to stalk its prey from within the dense forest. In the rainforests of New Guinea, a striking marsupial climbs among the treetops, the Spilocuscus rufonagur. Growing over a meter in length, it has a long, prehensile tail and sharp claws, perfect for navigating the canopy. Its vibrant coat varies in color, making it one of the most beautiful and distinctive tree dwellers, though sadly, it is now endangered. On the island of Borneo, the smallest elephant in Asia roams the jungles. Standing just 2.5 meters tall, the Bornean pygmy elephant has longer tails, larger ears, and a gentler demeanor than its mainland cousins. Hunting and deforestation threaten its future, but conservationists prioritize its protection due to its unique genetics and behavior. Once found only in a secluded reserve in New York, the Cerro Blanco deer faced near extinction when its habitat was fragmented. Vulnerable to predators like coyotes, these delicate animals depended entirely on the safety of their refuge. Now, with the reserve reopened to visitors, the deer have become a rare and cherished sight. From the forests of Tanzania comes the Rondo dwarf galago, a tiny primate weighing barely 100 grams. Recognizable by the brush-like tip of its tail, it is nocturnal and agile, leaping between branches under the cover of night. Rapid deforestation has pushed it into the ranks of the world's 25 most endangered primates. In the grasslands of Somalia, the Hirola antelope stands as one of Africa's rarest mammals, with fewer than 500 left in the wild and none in captivity. Conservationists fear that its extinction would mark the first loss of an entire genus of African mammal in modern history. In the tropical forests of Africa and Asia, a mysterious armored mammal shuffles through the night, the pangolin. Its body is covered in tough, overlapping scales, giving it the appearance of a walking pine cone or armadillo. The pangolin is the sole surviving member of its entire order, the rest known only from fossils. Secretive and shy, it remains one of the least understood creatures in the animal kingdom. In southern India, a strange amphibian emerges from underground only for a few days each year, the purple frog. With its deep violet skin and squat, rounded body, it has barely changed in millions of years, earning it the nickname living fossil. Unlike most frogs, it spends the majority of its life hidden beneath the soil. On the windswept lakes of Patagonia, the hooded grebe dances across the water during its courtship rituals. This elegant bird faces constant danger from introduced predators like the American mink, which can destroy entire breeding colonies in a single season. From underground dwellers to canopy kings, from miniature primates to towering birds, these animals represent the fragile wonder of life on Earth. They remind us how much beauty still waits in the wild and how much we stand to lose if we fail to protect it.